What's up everyone, welcome back to another Tech Fury YouTube tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom widgets to your Windows computer. This application is totally free without any ads. Okay, let's get started. Click on the Windows Start button and search Microsoft Store. Then go to the Microsoft Store to download the application. In here, search for BWidget application. Go to the first application which has a blue icon. Now click on the Install button to download and install the application to your PC. If the button called Get, it means that you haven't owned this app. In that case, click on the Get button. After the install is finished, you can see the button renamed to Open. Click on the Open button to start the application. This is the BWidget application, which we use to create customizable widgets. To add a new widget to your computer, click on the New Widget button. In here you can add a name for the widget. I'm going to name this widget as Time. You can choose what type of widget you want to add. Let's select some of them and see how they are shown on the desktop. Right now in this version of BWidgets you can choose 6 widgets to customize. They are Time, Date, Photos, App Shortcut, Finances, Weather. Let me show you how to customize a widget in BWidgets. First select the widget you want to customize, then click on the Customize button. In here you can do lots of customizations to your widget, like width, height, movement, etc. I'll show you some customizations you can do for the Time widget. Some of customization are based on the widget you select. For an instance, Time widget has options like 12-hour format, shows seconds, remove 0 before hour, etc. App Shortcut is a very useful widget you can use, because it lets you add a widget which open the shortcut application or folder. Here are some customization you can do on the App Shortcut widget. In order to make the shortcut clickable, you have to disable movement. Because if it's enabled you cannot click, but you can move the widget. So make sure you unselect movement after customization is done. Now if you click on the app shortcut it will open the shortcut application, which in this case is Steam. In this video, I'm not going to show you every widget in this application, because it will take so much time. But you can experiment on this widget types, and if you found any new feature, comment on the video, so others will know. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned how to add customizable widget to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Like this video if you learned something, subscribe this channel if you love this video, comment on the video if you have any question. Thanks for watching, see you next time.